Hey guys, welcome back for another Kohls Admin House tutorial. So the first thing that you guys need to know is that it's not 100% invisible, but you can make it if you try. Okay, so the first thing you need to get is one of these cylinder blocks. Green it, and I suggest putting it pretty far away, so like over here. Depending on what you're doing, right now I'm trying to block it off, so you want to make sure that it's in line. It is. So now you want to resize it, make it go all the way over. Stretch it up, and now try to walk past it. And when you do this, and let's pretend that I'm just a new person that just spawned in, and I did all the parkour and stuff, and I'm like, okay, great, I'm gonna go get it. And then you jump up, but you die now. So yeah, that's basically it. Not much to it. For more, like and subscribe and join the dark side.